A frequent low battery alert may be a typical experience for many of us nowadays, but it doesn't have to signal the conclusion of your mobile device usage until you return home or to the office. A portable charger, also known as a power bank or battery pack, can ensure that your phone, tablet, or any other portable device always has sufficient power to last throughout the day. For frequent travelers, there are larger and more potent battery packs available, capable of recharging even full-size laptops. When choosing a portable charger, it's crucial to consider the devices you'll be using it with and how often you'll depend on it for power. While many modern portable devices use USB-C for charging, there are still numerous devices that rely on standard USB ports. Therefore, it's vital to select a portable charger equipped with the appropriate output ports for your device, and one with multiple ports if you anticipate needing to charge several devices simultaneously. Another important factor to consider is the battery capacity. With advancing technology, portable chargers with greater capacities are becoming more accessible. We've meticulously chosen the finest options on the market to cater to a variety of preferences. Here are our top recommendations for the top portable chargers available on the market that checks all the right boxes. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000 Portable Charger. The Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000 portable charger is the best budget option on the market. It stands out for its combination of affordability and convenience, making it a solid option for users with budget constraints. This charger distinguishes itself by serving dual roles as both a battery and a wall charger, providing users with a versatile and practical device at an economical price point. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the PowerCore Fusion 5000 lacks a USB-C port, which may limit its compatibility with newer devices that rely on this standard. The PowerCore Fusion's key specifications include a capacity of 5000 mAh, 2 standard USB ports, and a micro USB input for recharging. Its compact size, resembling that of a tape measure, and foldable prongs contribute to its portability, making it easy to travel with. The absence of a USB-C port notwithstanding, this charger caters to the basic charging needs of users on a budget, providing a reliable and straightforward solution. This portable charger is particularly designed for individuals who prioritize simplicity and effectiveness in a charging device. Its unique feature of doubling as a wall charger adds an element of convenience, allowing users to recharge their devices overnight and subsequently top them up without the need for an outlet. Despite its compact size, weighing 6.6 ounces and being about the size of a tape measure, it possesses the capability to recharge a smartphone twice over, meeting the daily charging requirements of most users. 4. phone call or sending a text. It's worth noting that utilizing the hand crank to generate power requires some effort, but this ensures a practical and accessible power source in emergency situations. In terms of specifications, the Eton American Red Cross crank-powered smartphone charger does not specify its capacity. Features a standard USB port and measures 6 by 2.25 by 1.25 inches, weighing 4.9 ounces. Its value lies in being a valuable addition to any emergency kit. Features a standard USB port and measures 6 by 2.25 by 1.25 inches, weighing 4.9 ounces. Its value lies in being a valuable addition to any emergency kit, with the built-in carabiner clip facilitating easy accessibility to ensure it's close at hand when needed. For those seeking additional capability, Eton offers the FRX3 Plus model, which includes a built-in radio, solar panel, and a higher capacity battery, catering to a broader range of emergency needs. 2. Apple MagSafe Battery Pack Portable Charger. The Apple MagSafe Battery Pack Portable Charger is the best option for iPhone users, delivering unique features and tailored functionality for iPhone users. While it comes at a premium, as expected with Apple products, this MagSafe battery pack offers distinct advantages and unmatched sleekness. One notable feature is its ultra portability, making it exceptionally convenient for iPhone users. Specifically designed for iPhones, it incorporates Apple-specific smart charging features, ensuring an optimized charging experience. However, its premium status comes with a couple of drawbacks, namely its relatively high cost and a smaller capacity compared to other options on the market. The MagSafe battery pack boasts a compact design, measuring 3.75 by 2.5 by 0.43 inches and weighing only 4 ounces. Its distinctive feature is its wireless charging capability, designed to magnetically attach to the back of an iPhone, compatible with iPhone 12 models and newer. This unique design allows users to leave it attached while using the phone, introducing a seamless charging experience. 1. Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 PD Portable Charger. The Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 PD Portable Charger is a top choice due to its exceptional features and performance. This portable charger strikes an optimal balance between compact design and powerful functionality. It features 2 versatile USB ports, a standard USB and a USB-C, providing users with flexibility in charging various devices. While its slim and portable size is a definite advantage, some users have noted that it may not feel as durable as other Anker battery models. Despite this minor drawback, the PowerCore Slim's impressive capacity allows it to recharge an iPhone X twice over. Notably, even if you forget to recharge the battery itself, it retains enough juice to power up your smartphone, offering a practical solution for those occasional lapses in charging routine. For users employing a Lightning to USB-C cable, the PowerCore Slim showcases its efficiency by replenishing an iPhone's battery by 50% in just half an hour. Moreover, when fully charged, it extends its utility to providing an additional 30 minutes of power to a USB-C equipped MacBook. Anker enhances the user experience by including a travel pouch and a USB-C to USB-C cable for efficient recharging, taking 3 hours with a fast charger or 9 hours with a standard charger and a USB to USB-C cable. While the absence of an integrated charging cable may be considered a limitation, the PowerCore Slim compensates for this with its exceptional portability and robust charging capabilities. Comparable in size to an iPhone 8 and weighing less than a pound, it proves versatile enough to recharge even an iPad Pro. Additionally, its trickle charging mode caters specifically to smaller devices, such as wireless earbuds, ensuring a safe and efficient power replenishment for these accessories that demand less energy. Worth noting is the product's reliability, backed by an 18-month warranty, reinforcing its standing as a trustworthy choice for users seeking a versatile and powerful portable charger. In summary, the Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 PD portable charger excels in delivering a comprehensive charging solution, combining portability, power, and convenience in one compact device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.